making multiple car sounds in one video. Please ignore the background noises because I don't have a better place to record, so please cooperate. Firstly, Lamborghini Huracan. Now, an Audi RS5. This sounded weird. Now, an RX-7. Damn, bro. Now, a Super MP4. Okay, now let's try. Let's try some bikes. I don't know which bike is it, but what the hell are you doing here, man? My dog's here. Okay, so let's try a bike. I don't know which bike is it. Do tell me in the comments. Now let's check it out. Back into the cars. Let's try an F1. Now a Dodge Challenger. I don't know how to make this one. Just as my sound. And now a Subaru. I don't know how to make this one as well. But just let's try it. Okay. Now let's try some guns. M16A1. Now a machine gun. A laser cannon. 6mm gun, by the way. And guys, you tell me which car do you want me to make the sound of in the comment. Thanks for watching the video.